Let's dive into the core setup in Suno AI. To get the desired sound, choose the right genre tags such as or and select a custom mode approach. What's your go-to genre when producing with Suno? Now that you've set up your core, it's time to create a prompt formula using meta tags like and to force the AI to follow a musical structure. Quick tip: use style descriptors like or to add more character to your vocals. Can you think of a song that perfectly captures the mood you're aiming for? Next, let's talk about advanced polishing techniques. To take your production to the next level, try audio mastering with tags like or and experiment with stem separation using or. What's the most challenging part of polishing your AI music productions? Now that your structure is locked in, here's the secret to getting crisp vocals. Use a combination of N. As you work on your AI music production, remember to constantly tweak and refine your prompt formula. What's your favorite prompt engineering hack? By following these steps and experimenting with different techniques, you'll be able to create stunning AI music productions with natural sounding vocals. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI music tutorials and prompt engineering secrets.